Alright, what up, Paraheads? We are here at the Old Park Hotel.
Oh, no way.
What?
No way.
Is there anybody here that would like to communicate with us?
Has anyone died in this building?
I just can't believe what I saw. I just can't believe that.
Together?
No, guys.
What?
Playtime's over.
Alright, if you don't like him in it... Did you see something? Spirits of the Old Park.
I saw a man.
Shut up.
About that tall.
We would like you to come out and play.
All you gotta do is make a noise.
Whoa. What was that?
What's that? There was a light on you, Daddy.
Where the ladies at? I know y'all running a brothel illegally. Yeah, the K2 flash, but what was that squeal?
I heard that too.
That sounded like a kid.
I'm getting a creepy vibe out here, I'm not gonna lie.
It's dark. Motherfucker.
Alright, we are here at Buck's job, place of employment. This is a machine shop, and there's personal experiences he's had here as well as others. We are here to see if we can find anything, if we can capture anything to back up those claims. And I will say this place is kind of creepy. Already feeling a weird vibe. Alright, I've got the Ovilus. I'm going to turn it on here. See if we can get some interaction with it using the dictionary first. Okay. I just spit out a bunch of random crap. It is spitting out all kinds of crap, which doesn't make any sense to me. Wish, follow, none. Can you give me some useful information? Level, wind, tone. I think something is affecting it. Through. Mop. Okay. Can you give me some useful information? Is this Native American land? And is that why you're here? Hurt. Just said hurt. Are you hurt, or do you want to hurt somebody? Okay. I'm gonna turn this off. Yeah, that's of course the AC just kicked off. What was that? Did you hear that? Had to be Tina, right? Alright, who's with us?
Tina.
Dude, that was like a scuff.
Yep. Told you. It's footsteps.
I can't make heads or tails of that, and I'm shutting that off for a while. Okay.
Can you show yourself?
Yeah, that was weird. I don't know what that was about. Alright, I'm gonna take some pictures there's somebody here, I appreciate it if you get in front of my camera here. Whoa. Whoa. Dude, that was loud. It sounded like something shook the ceiling tiles over here and the AC's off.
The following commercial break has been brought to you by Demonetized, or this video ad wouldn't be here otherwise. Are your videos pixelated?
Are you tired of not being able to see in the dark?
Do you hate cameras having piss poor audio?
Slow to charge and quick to drain batteries? Then
Take a look at Zoom.
I'm Shaggy.
This is J-Lo.
We're from Para-holiX, and we have the camera for you.
I will modify this camera for you to see in the dark. Visit our eBay store, ebay.com/Para-holiX for more info.
Prices may vary depending on cost of the camera at time of purchase.
Order your Zoom today!
Consult your local paranormal team before using Zoom. Some symptoms may include night vision, dependence, sleep deprivation, withdrawal, disembodied voices, and in some cases, seeing ghosts. If symptoms last more than 3 days, please discontinue use of Zoom.
Visit ebay.com/Para-holiX to see if Zoom is right for you.
What up, Paraheads? It's your boy Shaggy, and I'm here to let you know that if you have a home or a business that you would like the Para-holiX to come and investigate, or if you have any paranormal questions, comments, and concerns, you can hit us up at htownparaholics@gmail.com. And always remember to stay paranormal, cause normal is boring.
End transmission.
I heard that door open and close.
Come on.
Me and Sergio over here. Door open and close. I stand here and I'm waiting to see somebody come. Nothing.
You would hear the door open and close.
Yep. Like somebody was coming in.
And no one came in or out.
Nope. I'll tell you what else too. I hear a lot. It's next door. Booms coming from next door.
I heard some of that when I was over there earlier.
In the other wall?
Yeah, I was in that far up front office.
Yeah.
Y'all were on the other side, and I was deleting some EVPs. If somebody's with us, can you open that door? We'd sure appreciate it.
Appreciate it. I love it. You see this green light? Come get near that light if you're here. If you're a spirit or you're a Native American or you want to interact with us, this is your opportunity.
Are you upset that we're here or this business is here? Now is your chance to come out and be heard.
Come on.
Downside to this area is we're gonna have a lot of rain, background noise. All right, if you want us to come back in here, you're gonna have to do something to get our attention.
Yep. Let me shut this door.
Okay. We can kind of spread out and see if we hear anything.
You up here to show yourself? Make a noise?
All right. I have a device in my hand that will hear you if you'll come up to it and speak. I'm trying to find out if you are Native American. If so, I'd like to know what your name is and what tribe you're from.
I'm trying to find out if you are Native American.
What are you thinking, man?
I felt some stuff early on.
What did you think?
I don't know, I had a creepy vibe, but right now it's gone. I don't have that same feeling.